For which processes and which sector UNICA HD has been designed to? Let's find out with Filippo Lanaro, Managing Director of the Italian company Laver. UNICA HD, more than 100 machines sold recently. Why, Filippo, this great interest around this Laver solution?
This laver solution, as you said, UNICA HD, is very interesting because allows the customer to solve the critical part of the recipe. You have to imagine, Sonia, that 1 or 2% of the recipe is micro-ingredients, but these micro-ingredients are critical because they can change the taste, they can change the texture. And so that's why UNICA HD is interesting, because it's weighing automatically this part of ingredients.
Would you explain better for what kind of process is addressed to?
So UNICA HD is addressed to all the food process. Can be bakery, can be dairy, can be spices, but all the process where you have powders, and you have micro ingredients to those. The machine, what does it do? It weighs automatically the ingredients and so grant the repeatability of the recipe.
That is just for powder?
No, Sonia, this is the news. So we apply this machine also for liquids. Just to give you an example, liquid could be oil, could be aromas in liquid form, and so we can mix powder and liquid in the same machine and grant the same accuracy for the process.
So UNICA HD is for the food industry.
Yes, absolutely, for the food industry. Even if laver is in many other industry, like rubber, like textile, like cosmetics, but UNICA HD is especially done for food industry, as you said.
Coming back to Interpack 26, we are at the fourth day. What do you think about this edition?
I have a good feeling. Because we receive a lot of visit from all the world. And so we are quite happy because we understand that the philosophy of the micro-ingredient dosing is really recognized as critical. So we are here to solve it.
And I know also that you receive a lot of requests relating UNICA HD here.
Yes, we are quite happy about that. Thank you.
What are the next events where we can meet you?
So we have many events, but for sure, Sonia, we will see each other in Cibus Tec in Parma.
So I can wait for meet again Filippo Lanaro and Laver at Cibus Tec in Parma.